Hi there, Woodpecker. Don't move, Kara. Don't move so he can eat. There he is. He's right here. Say hello there, Woodpecker. Oh, don't use your hands. Look at him. See him on me?
Hi,
That's a woodpecker. See, he's got some red on top of his head. See the red? That's the woodpecker. Yeah, you can see it on the camera when Mimi videos it, huh? Look at him. He says, oh, I'm hungry for that food. Is he pretty? Huh? Is he look pretty? He's a woodpecker. Can you say woodpecker?
Woodpecker, come here. Watch me.
Yeah. Uh-oh, somebody's calling, but we're watching the woodpecker. No, that's okay. Watch the woodpecker. They'll call back. Isn't that pretty? Kara's eating her apple as we watch the woodpecker. And the woodpecker don't care if the phone's ringing. Yeah, he's right outside our window. We feed him all the time.
Woodpecker, get out.
Woodpecker's eating, yeah. Puts his long beak in all the food. Isn't that cool?
A pool.
How close? Wait a minute. Stay right here. Let's see how close Mimi can get to him.
Wait. I need you.
Oh, he's gone. Let's see where he went. Okay. Oh, he's up there in the tree over there. Oops, and now he flew away. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you people enjoyed my bringing you a close-up of a woodpecker. Bye-bye now.